Hey there, tax-savvy folks. Have you heard about Form 1040 SR? It's a nifty alternative to Form 1040, specifically designed for taxpayers aged 65 or older. Let me give you the lowdown in a conversational style. So what's the deal with Form 1040 SR? Well, it's an optional form that seniors can use when filing their taxes. The SR stands for senior, and it's specifically tailored to meet the needs of individuals aged 65 or older. Here's the best part. Form 1040 SR shares the same schedules and instructions as its traditional counterpart, Form 1040. That means you won't have to worry about navigating a completely new set of rules and regulations. The familiarity is a huge advantage and can make the tax filing process much smoother. Now, you might be wondering, why was Form 1040 SR created in the first place? Great question. The IRS recognized that older taxpayers might appreciate a simplified form that addresses their unique tax situations. So they came up with this alternative option to make things easier for seniors. Using Form 1040 SR, you can report your income, deductions, and credits just like you would on Form 1040. The form covers all the bases, including retirement income, Social Security benefits, and other income sources that seniors typically encounter. But don't worry, you won't miss out on any potential tax breaks or benefits by using Form 1040 SR. It's designed to accommodate all the deductions and credits available on Form 1040. So rest assured, you won't be sacrificing any tax advantages just because you opt for the senior-friendly version. It's important to note that Form 1040 SR is entirely optional. If you're over 65 but prefer to use the standard Form 1040, you absolutely can. It's all about personal preference and what works best for you. To sum it up, Form 1040 SR is an optional alternative to Form 1040, specifically designed for taxpayers aged 65 or older. It offers the same schedules and instructions, providing a familiar and streamlined tax filing experience. If you're a senior looking for a user-friendly way to file your taxes, Form 1040 SR might just be the perfect fit. Thank you for watching. If you consider the video valuable, please subscribe and share it with your friends and family members. Oh yes, if you have any query on 1040 SR, please ask in comment section.